Good morning, it is Sunday and another gorgeous day here in New Zealand, and we've got some dirt bikes today, so it's going to be noisy. Here's the dirt bikes. I'll fly over there and get some footage. They were going to contact me to go and do some official filming of this event, but I didn't hear from them, so I guess they got busy. But look at this, nothing but blue sky today. This is pretty stunning for winter. Really hard frost this morning, but that's melted away a bit now. And of course on this side we've got go-karts, so there'll be that drone of go-karts all day. Unfortunately my shotgun mic doesn't fit this camera without an adapter, so I have to get an adapter for that, which would hopefully reduce the amount of go-kart noise in future videos, but in this one it's going to be noisy. And yesterday, just to annoy me, with my camera on the wrong settings, I used this too slow a shutter speed, so a lot of motion blur made it hard to stabilize stuff, so that video may not be that flash. I'll be working on that this evening when I get home, but here's the tower. And I'm just here early waiting for other people to turn up. Simon will not be coming today, he's got other commitments. I think we might see Neil. I don't know about Bill, he did ring a while ago but I was driving so I couldn't take his call. And I don't know if Ron's coming out. He might have had too much fun yesterday to even consider flying today, but we'll find out. Here we go. Lovely. So Neil's here, Bill's here. Bill's got a great armada of aircraft today. Look at all this. Bill, I see some, what's that new 4-engine one, mate? What's that?
That's what's left of Richie's turbojet.
Brilliant, mate. Absolutely fantastic. Neil's got easy, super easy. Ron's got one like that, but it's got retracts. Well, it has after yesterday.
I heard you were bringing in EVs, so I thought you might like a charge.
All about. Gordon's taxiing back, look. All by himself.
And they love making noise.
Yeah. Might be a lot of music in this video, Bill. We're doing a backtrack, eh? Woo. Oh, just in the circle. That's a very low circuit. Thought it would fly higher than that, mate. You got differential thrust.
Yeah, I should really reduce that angle on the tail wheel, or the nose wheel rather.
Tail wheel? What tail wheel?
The nose wheel. I've got a lot of down trim and I've just pulled the battery forward, so I'm not sure. Let's find out.
I like the way it squeaks, that's the best bit. That seemed to lift off alright. It's very majestic, Bill, very majestic. Oh no, and your head was in the way.
It dropped the wing.
I thought it might, didn't I say that?
Yep.
Yeah, I thought so.
It dropped the wing.
You can tell by looking, eh? It's still in one piece.
Yeah, it didn't drop. I only dropped it about 2 inches off the
Oh, okay, well, that's good enough. Couldn't wish for a better height. Oh no, that's a tragedy. Smashed to smithereens.
Smashed to smithereens.
Nosely bent. Oh, look at that. You can straighten it. You've got the technology. You had baked beans for breakfast, eh? Do you have your wheat bix? Oh.
It's not perfect, but it'll do.
Nothing's perfect.
Nah, I can hardly see it.
I know. You need to get...
I can hardly see it.
You need my supervision. You need to put your TV on it, Bill.
Yeah, I can
That's
hardly
lovely.
see it.
It's gorgeous, that is. I like that. You just throw it in the rubbish.
It's got a potential, but I need to be able to see the thing to fly it.
Yeah, that's true. Sun at your back on a summer's day might be better.
Yeah.
Or just paint it purple and orange or something.
Oh.
Just put Gordon's hand in the prop and the red will show up. The blood will make a lovely job.
Well, it flew.
It flew. It
It's
did
done
flew.
2 flights now. It's still in one piece. So
Excellent. You're slipping up.
I'm slipping.
You need more practice. You need to get Gordon to have a fly with it.
Yeah. But isn't it quiet with those 4 motors?
It is. And the crowds go wild. Yeah, thanks Neil. So Neil, you've had a crap day again?
Yeah, bloody awful.
Yes, terrible here, isn't it?
I'm going to have to come back again just to make sure that it's...
The only thing that's been any worthwhile today is the silence. Enjoyed the silence?
Hey?
Yeah, the serenity. Hours of serenity, that's what it is. Look at the damn go-kart. Never mind. They don't complain about us, so we don't complain about them. At least not to them, just to each other.
Well, they can't hear us complain.
No, they can't over the noise of those bloody engines.